In this video, I'm showing you one way how to Adobe sign an evaluation. First things first, open up the evaluation with Adobe Acrobat. It should be free to you with your Southwestern account. Once it's open, I assume that you've completed all the fields in here and all the text, filled it out properly, and it's ready to be sent out for signatures. I'm scrolling all the way down to the bottom because on the bottom there will be the signature fields that I need to address. There's three signatures I need: the evaluator's signature and the date, the dean's signature and the date, the dean's comments that are optional, and the faculty's signature and the date. And again, there's optional comments for the faculty that the faculty can enter into the form. Now, first things first, I'm gonna let you know that you can use fill and sign or request signatures on the right. Both of them will do the job. I did fill and sign because I want to sign this document first, so I'm clicking on sign yourself. I grab my signature. You can drag it into the document and you can find the right field. I'm the evaluator, so it should be right on the evaluator signature field, and I'm going to put in the date. This is just an arbitrary date that I put in where I signed this. Now that I've completed the evaluation form, I need to send this to the dean and the faculty. And so what we need to do is we need to click on this thing here called request signatures. Once you do, a window pops open. This is totally fine to do, but I like this more option field, so I click this one and it pops up. It uploads your form onto Adobe Sign and it's in the cloud now, and you can look at some of the options that you need to set. First things first, the order, whether it's dean or faculty dean first, doesn't matter. I personally prefer to put faculty first, then dean, because the faculty might want to add some comments that the dean should read before the dean makes any comments. Again, you can't go wrong with the order. It doesn't matter, but for this video, I'm going to put the faculty first and then the dean second. So what you need to do is you need to enter the email address of the faculty. Of course, I'm writing here faculty at Southwestern as email, which doesn't exist, but that's okay. And then I'm going to put in the dean as second recipient to sign this. So the email of the dean, and ideally you should copy paste so you don't make any mistakes mistyping a name, because then you have to restart this process over. I leave it complete in order so the dean can see the faculty comments, but you can do complete in any order if you want. Now what this does is the system will send out an email to the faculty first, then the dean, and ask them to sign. On the bottom here you see this preview checked, so I'm going to click next because now we have to assign the signature fields to the faculty and the dean. It takes a second to process the document. If you have this error message with the number of students, you can see there's 32 students. It's filled in, so don't worry about it, just press OK. Scroll all the way down, and now you can see we need the dean's signature, the date, which are required, and then the comments are optional, and the same for the faculty. Signature, date required, comment optional. In the right top you can see recipients. They are colored, so faculty, I'm colorblind, is I guess green, and the dean is blue in color. And now we can assign signature fields based on specific recipients. On the right you see the signature field, and you can expand or collapse it. So make sure you can see this signature block and drag it onto the, since this is the faculty, we need to drag it onto the faculty signature field. You can see it's colored green, assigned to the faculty, and it has a star, which means it's required. Now we also know that the date is required. Since there's a field for the date but it's colored black, I need to edit it. If there wasn't any field, you can go to the data fields and put a text input field there, but since there is a field, if you use the form that I emailed, then you can just modify this, right click, press edit. Why? Because we want to assign it only to the faculty. We want to check unclick read only so it can be edited, and make it mandatory or required. So we click the checkbox required. Okay. So now we recap this. We assign it to faculty, we unchecked read only, we made it required, so the faculty has to fill in the date when the faculty signs this document. Press OK, perfect. Now the same thing with the comment box. Right now it's assigned to black, which is everyone, so we click edit, assign it to the specific faculty, unclick the read only. It has not the required box checked because you don't have to put in comments, they're optional, and it's a multi-line data entry, so there's multiple lines where you enter. Press OK, done. Now that we've done this process for faculty, we repeat it for the dean. We need a signature block, a date, and comments, and they should show up in the color of the dean, so we need to prepare this. Right now we prepared everything for the faculty. So in recipients in the right top, I change to the dean. It's blue color now. It grayed out the faculty signature and comments. I need to drag the signature field to the right position. See, I put it to the wrong spot, but then you can move it. I added the date field. I assign it to the dean, unclick the read only, and click the required. Press OK. So same process. And with the comments, we're going to do the same thing. Right click it, edit, uncheck the read only, and assign it to the dean. So these are the two things we need to do. So assign it to the dean, uncheck the read only box, pressed OK. Now the comments are optional, and now we're ready to send it. So all you need to do on the right bottom, click the send field, and it will send out this document to the faculty first. Once that's signed by the faculty, we'll send it to the dean. Once the dean signed it, everyone, you, faculty, and dean will get a copy.